If there's one thing we take for granted in Britain, it's water. But I've been in many places where water can surround you, but not a drop of it be safe to drink. So today we're going to look at some ways of finding safe drinking water. Charcoal is a really good purifier. We'll take some of this with us for later. And here we are, we've come down into a boggy area. It's a bit heathy. There are lots of birch trees, which are also a good indicator that there's water likely to be around. Particularly though, in boggy areas, you find this wonderful plant. This is sphagnum moss. A green beddy jewel, look, springy, like a mattress. Now, this particular plant is really useful. It contains a lot of water. And it has a sterilizing effect on the water and can make it pure. It's even been found that sometimes you can reach into the peat underneath the moss, and it can be very deep. And squeezing out the moisture of this, first it's muddy, then it goes clear. And when it goes clear, you see it clearing there, that can sometimes be sterile water. But for our purposes, this is a real friend, because with this we can make a filter to carry with us to purify other sources of water that we find elsewhere. So we need two ingredients from here. We need the ordinary moss itself, and we need the peat from under the moss. And there are only two other things we need. We need the charcoal we had earlier and a bottle or some sort of container. Okay guys, bottle and charcoal. Brilliant. There's the charcoal. We can mix that with the peat in our filter. But first of all, we need to prepare this bottle. Okay, this is going to be a column filter. In here, we're going to put layers of materials we've gathered. So at the bottom, we must make some holes, and at the top, we need to open it up so we can pour in dirty water. Now we're ready. First thing we do is we take some of the ordinary moss. Pop that in the bottom, push it down really tight. That's great. Now, we take the charcoal and the peat, mix the two together. Charcoal and peat go in. Again, push it down tight. Lastly, cap it off with some sphagnum moss. There is our filter, ready to work. Doesn't look like much, but that could save your life. Here we are, time for a test. This could take a minute. There we go, there's our water. Now, it might not look crystal clear, but it's a lot safer because it's been through our filter. And here's the test. Cheers. Tastes fine.
Yeah.